What's up guys, my name is Saxmist, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a shift to sprint script like this one. So when I hold shift, as you can see, I'm faster, and when I'm not holding shift anymore, my speed returns to normal. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is to make a local script inside starter character scripts, and you can name that to whatever. I'm just gonna name it to sprint script, and then I'm just gonna zoom in right here. Then you want to make some variables. So you want to make a variable for the user input service. So local user input service equals to game get service. There we go. And then we're gonna make a variable for replicated storage. Go to game get service replicated storage, and then we want to make a variable for we'll do that for now. And then we're gonna connect an function to the user input service. So user input service dot input began connect function, and then here we're gonna type, actually we need to make a variable right there. It's called the input, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna check input dot key code. So that's the key code, or the input right here is gonna be the input that fired this event. So now we're checking if the input has a key code at the same time, but input.keycode, and we're gonna check if that is equal to left shift. In this case, then you can have the sprint key to wherever, but I'm gonna show it how you would do it with left shift in this video. So enum.keycode what is it called, left shift, yeah. Then so if the input.keycode is equal to enum.keycode left shift, then that just means that it was the left shift that was clicked. Now we're gonna make an event inside replicated storage, and we're gonna name that event to sprint event, and then we're gonna copy that name and then make a variable for that event right here. And then we're gonna do sprint event fire server, and then you're gonna set inside those brackets, it's gonna be the speed that the player is gonna get when clicking left shift. You can make a variable for that up here. So local sprint speed is equal to 25 maybe, so right like so. And then so that's all done. Now we can actually copy this thing, and we're gonna make another variable right here. It's gonna be local walk speed is equal to 16 is the default one. If you wanted to local walk speed, 16 is the default speed, so you can just keep it at 16 if you want to. And then instead of having input began, we're gonna have input ended. I think that's what it's called, yeah, input ended. And then here we're gonna have the walk speed. You could actually and then here we're gonna have the walk speed, and then this script's actually done. So then we're gonna create a new script inside script service, and then I'm gonna name that to sprint event script. Now we can actually copy and these two variables because we will need them here. And then we're gonna do sprint event on server event connect function, and then we're gonna include some variables here. The first one, or parameter, the first one is always gonna be the player, and the second one is this, in this case, gonna be the speed, because that's what we are firing. And then we're gonna make a variable for the character, and how we're gonna do that is player.character character is equal to player.character, or player wait, character added weight. Okay, zoom out a bit. So now we have variable for the character. We're gonna make a variable for the humanoid. So humanoid is equal to character weight for child humanoid. And now right here we're gonna do humanoid dot walk speed is equal to speed. Now it should work, but we're not actually completely done. You'll see why in just a bit. Actually, it does not work. It just stops us. That's really weird. Okay, sorry, my bad. I had accidentally put here sprint event. It's actually supposed to be sprint speed. Okay. Well, now it should work. Yeah, it works. As you can see, I click left shift and we sprint. Now that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please like the video and consider subscribing. My Discord is in the description. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.